So I'm using the extra light ash blonde in the L'Oreal. So let's get started. I'm just gonna shake it up really well. I got some on the gloves already. I'm just gonna comb through my hair one more time before I begin. Because I want the ends lighter than the middle part. I'm gonna start with the ends first, and then I'm gonna let the ends probably sit for 20 minutes before I apply more dye to the midsection of the hair. Okay, so I'm just gonna let this sit for about 20 minutes or so, and then I'm gonna apply some more to this section of it. Yeah, that's straight that I put some foil on the ends, so yeah, and take it off now. It's starting to get a little lighter, I can see. I don't know if you guys can really tell. So I'm gonna look in the mirror while I do this, just to make sure I don't mess it up. And you are gonna go over the part that has the dye. I'll probably leave this for, I'm gonna say half an hour or 45 minutes. And then I'm gonna come back and I'll wash it out, and next time you see me, I'll probably have it all done. Okay, so this is the end result of dyeing or ombreing the Bobbi Boss Ocean Remy hair. It's still not as light as I wanted it to be, but I'm very satisfied. It's cool, and I'm liking it. I'm probably still going to go in though and dye the tips, because I do want the tips to be very, very blonde. So yeah, this is what it came out with. I hope this tutorial helped, and yeah, if you guys do it, let me see. Okay, bye.